Mercedes-Benz has a new key, and today we're going to look at how to replace the battery. Hello, my name is Garrett, and I'm the Automotive Guru. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, and you want to learn more on how your Mercedes works, news and upcoming models, and all other Mercedes stuff, start now by subscribing. And if you comment down below, I subscribed, I'll do my best to reply back. Okay, so getting started, we will grab the key fob and flip it over. We will then press the silver button here while pulling on the physical metal key, and then we'll utilize the end of this key to pry open the back plate of the key fob. Now once this is off, we can set this to the side, and then we'll use the tip of the key to pry open the battery door like so. Now once this door is off, we can set this to the side as well, and then we'll flip the key fob over, tap it a couple times until the key battery comes out like so. Now once this battery is out, we'll replace it with the new battery and place it back into position with the lettering facing us. We'll grab the key battery door, place it back into position until it snaps down. Then we'll grab the back plate, we'll place it into position, snap it into place. And then we'll press on the silver button again while pushing in the physical metal key until it locks into place. And that is how you replace the key battery in the new style 2021 Mercedes-Benz key. Thanks for watching to the end. I really do appreciate it. If you found this video informative, click that like button, comment down below with any questions, and of course, subscribe to be notified when future videos like this are released.